What did someone demand from you that was completely unreasonable? My new roommate Chad moved in last week and immediately started acting like he owned the place. He redecorated the living room with his questionable art and left passive-aggressive notes about my unacceptable dish drying habits. Then came the eviction notice for my cat. Seriously. He claimed my fluffy Persian, 6 German Meow, triggered his rare and severe exotic short hair allergy. I was flabbergasted. I'd seen him petting Chairman Meow just days earlier, gushing about how cute he was. Turns out, Chad had been trying to get rid of pets in all his previous rentals to save money on pet deposits, and he thought my sweet boy would be an easy target. I showed him the signed lease that clearly stated pets were allowed. He moved out 2 days later, and Chairman Meow got extra treats.